Most people think investing is only for the rich. That's a myth.
In reality, you can start with just $50. Small investments can grow into something much bigger.
Every great fortune starts with a small step.
Consistency is more powerful than a big paycheck. Time is your greatest investment partner. Imagine your money starting to work for you, growing steadily, even while you sleep. Turn your dreams into reality. That's the power of investing. Every dollar is a choice.
Choose wisely, and your future will thank you.
You don't need thousands. You just need to start. Every big fortune starts with a single coin. Watch your small investments grow over time. Turn your dreams into a flourishing portfolio. Start building your financial future today. Keep adding a little every month. Watch your portfolio grow. Consistency is the key to success. Patience beats perfection every single time. The graph suddenly drops. The stickman looks surprised. Markets go down. That's completely normal. The graph quickly recovers and reaches a new high. The people who stay invested usually win. Every paycheck is another opportunity.
Let your money grow before you spend it.
Knowledge is the best investment you'll ever make. Your future starts with the decision you make today.
Fear keeps people broke. Action builds wealth.
The first step is always the hardest. Establish your plan. Then, watch your wealth grow. Time rewards patient investors.
Little gains add up faster than you think. Start small and watch your wealth grow.
Invest again and let compounding do the work. This is the life. Your money should work harder than you do. Success doesn't just happen. Growth doesn't happen overnight. Keep pushing forward every single day.
This is how small actions grow. That's how compound growth really works.
When we look at true success, we have to look at the long term. Sustained growth doesn't happen overnight. Think in years, not days. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Fast and risky may seem appealing at first, but slow and steady always wins the race. Never put all your money in one place.
In a world of economic uncertainty, a shield appears around investment baskets, while a storm passes outside. Diversification helps reduce risk.
The world is full of noise, but successful investors know how to ignore it. Don't let headlines control your decisions.
When the market plunges into a sea of red, ordinary traders panic and run. But true investors know that calm heads prevail.
Every market crash in history has eventually recovered. He checked his account and smiled. Green arrows appeared, one after another. True progress happens just like this, one step at a time.
Small habits create massive results.
Every dollar invested is another step forward. It builds a foundation for unstoppable growth, mapping out a journey toward ultimate success.
Building wealth is a journey, not a race.
Saving protects your money. Investing helps it grow. Growth happens when you give your investments time.
Patience is one of the richest skills you can build. Every great achievement begins with a single small step, for it is the small wins that eventually become big victories.
Keep investing, even when progress feels slow.
Financial freedom begins with consistent habits. Financial freedom.
Your future self will thank you for starting today.
The stickman reaches the top of a hill, overlooking a modern city filled with opportunity and rising financial charts.
Remember, every fortune starts with a first dollar.
The only investment you'll regret is the one you never started.
If you learned something today, hit like and subscribe for more simple money tips.
Invest, learn, grow, repeat.
This is just the beginning of your financial journey. I'll see you in the next video.